Hi. So I've been playing around with my DaYan cube for a while now, and I loosened the tension on the springs even more. I managed to pop it a few times. I think it could be just about time to lube this one. So let's go ahead and do some lubing here. So after I loosened the springs, I noticed that sometimes I get this dilemma, and that's not quite good. So I thought I'd go ahead and try to lube it and see. I've been reading online that it would help popping, and if I lube it, maybe I could tighten the springs just a tiny little bit and see what's gonna happen, because it's way too loose now, I think, and it's kinda, well, let's go ahead and try this. This is the first time I ever lubing a cube, so but I done some reading, and perhaps maybe it will be just a little bit better. So as you can see, I'm just going to lube it just a little bit in here. Maybe I will take it apart on the other side as well, and just a few sprays in there and see if that's gonna help. By the way, I'm using ZRZ silicone spray. I don't think it's good to use like silicone oil or something like that. I think it's supposed to be just regular, well, just not too much in there, just a little bit. I think that's just about it. So now I put back the corners here, and I do exactly the same thing on the other side, as fast as I can, because I don't want the silicone to dry. Just a few dots, nothing more than that. I think, really hope this will help me with my cubing. So I really hope so. So now they say that it will feel kinda like not so easy to use, but it's important to play around with it for maybe a minute or so that the silicone can spread out in the various components in there. Not really sure if this is going to help me, but I really hope so. Well, really hope this will help, just to make it a little more smoother to use, you know. Oops. kind of, you know, very easy to turn. So if I do like this, it will instantly be like twisted around. So I will let it be for over the night and see what's gonna happen in the morning. Thanks for watching. Bye.